The Office Clipboard. Assuming you want to copy multiple items and paste them elsewhere, you can open up the Office Clipboard dialog box, and every time you copy something, it will place them in the clipboard. This will allow you to go and paste them elsewhere. For example, let's go and follow the exercise. Highlight A2 to A8, copy, and you'll see that the data is now placed in the clipboard. Highlight the B2 to D2 and copy, and now all the months are carried over. We can actually even transfer this into a new sheet by using the insert new sheet command. Let's go back to show you what the example was. Go to A1 and insert the cities, and then go to F1 and paste all, because it allows you to paste individual items that you've collected or all of them. And when you're finished, clear all so it's out of the memory and close the dialog box. It's a really handy tool.